With the Tianjin A330. Coming in from Zhengzhou. A330, Air China, coming in from somewhere I cannot possibly pronounce. A lorry for good measure. Now, I've no idea what this is. I've no idea where it's landing, unless they've just done the alternation, which is really odd. Any ideas what this is, guys? It's new to me. Visit from DHL. A300 B4. I'm missing a parcel from DHL. Now it's on that plane. Turkish Airlines from Istanbul. The Airbus A330. Had some great trips to Istanbul. Lots of videos of Istanbul on the website. Not on the website, on the YouTube channel. Check out the YouTube channel. Like to subscribe. Fantastic. Yeah, there are some good videos of Istanbul on the channel. Some good hotel reviews. Now, this is one of the few wide-bodied jets that serves European short-haul routes. It's the Airbus A330 from Iberia.